is it?
What is it?
What is it?
Say, hey, Grandma and Grandpa. Rip it open.
Oh, bless you.
Ooh, she sneezed right on the package.
Oh my god. Open mine. It's someone forgot it. Let's see, I can't see.
Oh, it's a new phone.
Phone.
Happy birthday, Rowan.
Let's see. Let me see. Can I see it? Nice.
What do you say, Rowan?
Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Yay. Say thank you. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Why don't you clap? Hooray!
Yay, Rowan.
Present day fun for all.
Look at that smile.
Yay! Spooky party.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Where's Rowan? Where'd she go? There she is.
Peekaboo.
Yay, happy birthday. Thank you. Rowan out.